Hi, Mike here at Woodstove and Fireplace Parts, and today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Woodstove and Fireplace Gaskets. Now the gasket is typically something that is from 3/16 all the way up to about 1.25 inches that fills the gap in the door or sometimes around the glass of your wood stove or fireplace. And it's pretty much non-combustible. It will break down over time, but it won't catch fire. It's designed not to do that. Most of the gaskets can withstand up to about 1,000 degrees. So there's different kinds. There's the kind that goes around the glass like this. This is what they call a tape gasket, and it's sticky on one side. It's designed to go around the edge of the glass like a U, and we have a video showing how to install that on your wood stove glass. And then there's also a gray graphite infused gasket, which is probably the most popular. The nice thing about that, it's already gray, so it doesn't really look nasty when it gets charred up from the fire in that, and it sticks real well to the gasket cement. And then you also see it a lot of times in white, and the white doesn't have the graphite infused. It's a little softer typically, and usually comes in some of the bigger sizes like this 1.25 inches. All of them work really, really well. There's a lot of different companies having different gaskets, but I highly recommend the gasket infused in the gray just because it looks better over a longer time. See our other video on gasket cements, which will show you the difference in different brands of cements and what we feel works the best. If you have any questions, give us a call.